Welcome to a new way to clean. Welcome to Swiffer WetJet. Swiffer WetJet is designed to quickly and easily clean all of your finished hard floors. WetJet is easy to assemble. Just slide the poles together, lining up the notches, and secure in place. Slide open the battery compartment and insert 4 new or unused AA batteries. Next, attach the WetJet pad print side down on the redesigned mop head. Then line up the arrow on the cleaning solution bottle with the pole and gently press until the bottle clicks into place. Press the button to spray solution directly where you need it on the floor. The solution breaks down soils.
Hey folks, I'm back. Really excited. I just got my new Twist and Shout Mop, so I thought I'd do an update on my video that I had done a couple years ago. This here comes in this box, obviously, and the pail, what I'm noticing right away is it has a new splash guard around here, which I really like. Then there's 4 total pieces. You get the mop head, you get 3 rods that get put together. So, really easy. Let's do this. Twist it in. Then I'm noticing the handle here, it feels more reinforced to me. Just go right on the top. I'm going to come here and put it on top of the mop head simply by going 1, 2, so you heard the click. Okay. I'm going to unlock it. And I'm noticing right away that the handle is taller. Okay, so now that it's unlocked, I can come in here, put it in the pail that I have with water, and then show you what makes this mop so special, which is the whole point of the twisting part of it. So I come in here, twist, bring it out, and now, very simply, I'm able to come back and mop my floor. Now, when I'm ready, I simply pop this up. I have the mop head, and I can just toss this in the washer. Super easy, from mopping the floor to cleaning the mop head. I love this mop.
This is Kevin, and this is Mopnado, the world's fastest, most convenient, and hygienic mop system. Using its patented spin drive, Mopnado can handle accidents of any size by literally washing and drying your mop head during use. So, if someone decides to open 3 cans of perfectly good soda and spill them on the floor, after squirting some ketchup and mustard for good measure, you'll have no trouble cleaning up afterwards. With its super absorbent microfiber mop head, soaking up large amounts of liquids is a breeze. Just look at how easily 1 full liter of conveniently poured soda gets absorbed. Shocking, isn't it? The secret behind its success is the handle-driven spin function that allows the mop to be washed and dried in its own bucket. Mopnado also features a unique twist lock, allowing you to extend the handle to clean hard-to-reach places. Use it wet or dry, and finally take care of those areas no one will be able to see. The mop head design lets you quickly switch mop heads, and the microfiber is soft enough to clean almost any surface. So switch from tile to hardwood floors in a heartbeat. Just don't try to mop your carpet. Old clunky mop systems are heavy and won't get dry enough to use on delicate surfaces. With the stainless steel spin basket, Mopnado can get as dry or as wet as you need, so you never have to worry about damaging your floors ever again. Just spin faster for a dry mop head and spin slower for a wet mop head. It's that simple. And once you're ready to rinse out your mop head, get a clean, thorough wash with the built-in agitator, unlike older mops that just slosh your mop head around. Then spin to your desired wetness level, and you're all set. Disposable sweepers are light and easy to maneuver, but mostly just push dirt around. Plus, the cost of replacements can add up real quick after just 1 session of cleaning. Wet refills can cost up to 38 cents per sheet. And they can't really be washed or reused either. So, the next time you're getting ready to tidy up around the house, and you want a fast, convenient, and even fun cleaning experience, choose the one and only Mopnado. Give it a spin today.
Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The EasyWring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.